If your mom didn't teach you how to make pita growing up, don't worry, I'm your mommy now. Welcome back to your Greek Mommy's channel. Today we are making buffalo chicken stuffed pitas. Y'all begged me for this recipe. And since my first 4 recipes went viral and broke the internet with over 70 million views and 3.5 million likes, I thought I would bring you something even more maximalist. Introducing buffalo chicken pockets. Like pizza pockets, but way better. Stuffed with organic shredded chicken, cheese, and hot sauce. They pair perfectly with our Greek salad, tzatziki, ranch, and some juicy Greek chicken wings. If you love stuffed pitas, check out the other 4 variations on my feed. Don't forget to click that follow button so you never miss what else we have cooking. You can find the full recipe for these buffalo chicken stuffed pitas in the caption, and it's also always linked in my bio. If your mom didn't teach you how to make meat stuffed pita growing up, don't worry, I'm your mommy now. Welcome back to episode 4 of Getting to Know Your Greek Bestie. Today, we're making Greek-inspired arayas, otherwise known as Middle Eastern meat stuffed pita. One thing about me is that I love Middle Eastern food. Their love and use of ingredients like honey, olives, olive oil, pitas, dates, shumak, and mint bring joy to my heart. The food in our cultures intertwine and overlap, so it felt fitting to make keftesh stuffed pita topped with lemon and served with our viral tzatziki. If you want more delicious recipes from me, then be sure to click that follow button. You can find the full recipe linked in my bio, and it's also available on the Food by Maria app. It's so good.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing.
Afiyet olsun.
If you throw raw shrimp, tangy feta, and fresh spinach into a food processor, then stuff it into a beautifully filleted salmon tail, you'll have just made the most unique and delightful dinner. Welcome back to episode 22 of Greek Blue Zone, a series where I'll be sharing recipes for longevity. So the ingredients in this dish are inspired by spanakopita, which pair like magic with fish. Try this recipe for your next family gathering or date night. She's low lift and giving all sorts of maximalist flavor with minimalist effort. Follow me if you want to eat and live like a Greek Blue Zone citizen.